6 beautiful babies, 6 journeys that changed me. But what they don't show is what I lost after each birth. My hair. And now after baby number 6, it's happening again. Postpartum shedding, the part of motherhood we don't talk about enough. Okay, so this is me showing up for my hair, for my scalp, and for every woman who feels like she's silently shedding more than just her hair strands. Now, I've had this style in for a few weeks, and it gave me the break I needed so I could tend to my newborn. But as time went by, I knew the shift was intensifying. The shedding usually starts slow, as you would have seen in the previous video, but then it picks up. Every unravel brings more hair than I expected. And although I know it's normal, it still hurts and it knocks at my confidence every time. I usually feel very unattractive, and this is why I do not like when people make fun of others who've lost their hair, as hair loss can be due to so many other reasons or triggered by health, hormonal, or other factors. So hair loss is not always due to poor hair care practices. Now, if you saw my last video, you'll remember me talking about how flaky and irritated my scalp became towards the end of my pregnancy. It was dry, inflamed, and honestly, it was hard to manage. And I knew that if I wanted to bounce back, I couldn't just focus on hair growth. I had to start at the root. And as we know, scalp health is everything. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video on scalp health and hair growth, then go ahead and click the cards above to check it out. So wash day used to feel like self-care, but right now it's a little more complicated, because even here I lose a lot of hair and it makes me quite sad seeing my hair strands shed and wash away like this. Still, I remind myself that this is temporary, this is hormonal, and this is not the end of my hair journey. So I wash it with love, and I speak gently to my hair, and I speak life into my hair, and I give my scalp what it's been crying for. Some TLC. And I followed up with doing a protein treatment. And now if you haven't seen my video on when to do a protein treatment, definitely go ahead and click the cards above. Nonetheless, this is postpartum hair loss in real time. No filter, no glam, just raw truth. Now, this hair oil right here is my weapon of choice. It's made with herbs and oils that stimulate circulation and nourish the hair follicles, feeding my scalp what it lost during pregnancy. And our moisturizing hair butter, it seals in hydration, supports length retention, and gives my hair strands a fighting chance. Go ahead and check the cards above, as well as in the description bar below, on videos where I detail how to use these products. Now, I didn't just create Hair We Gro to sell products. It was born out of moments like this, where healing isn't just physical, it's emotional as well. Postpartum hair loss is temporary, but the way we care for ourselves during this time, that can be transformational. So this isn't about bouncing back to some old version of myself. It's about growing forward gracefully, truthfully, and powerfully. Now, if you're going through postpartum hair loss as well, you are not alone. Your hair will grow again, and your crown will rise with time. Now, if you're comfortable, why not share your story below if you've experienced postpartum shedding? Let's support each other. And if this video spoke to you, hit subscribe and join me for more on motherhood, hair recovery, and holistic hair care. You're still beautiful, you're still powerful, And sis, your crown is still yours.